Hello everybody, this is Jeff at etrailer.com. Today we're going to take a look at this Derale stacked plate engine oil cooler kit with the sandwich adapter. Now this kit will help prolong the life of your engine oil, reduce the number of necessary changes, and it improves the overall functioning and performance of your engine. It does reduce the oil temperature by as much as 50 degrees, and it does help reduce your coolant temperature. Now this part will include everything I got laid out here on the table. We'll start with the stacked plate oil cooler. Comes with the sandwich adapter with the 2 3/4 inch rubber O-ring. Comes with the adapter plate with the 3.5 inch rubber O-ring. Also, you notice the hose here, it's a 10-foot long, 1/2 inch diameter OEM spec high temperature, high pressure rubber hose with stainless steel clamps for installation. The 6 black hose barb adapters here. The 5 different size sleeve nuts to ensure your proper filter thread size, and a complete mounting kit for installing this to your vehicle, and a nice set of instructions that'll describe how that's done. Now I do want to zoom in on this cooler here. This will cool effectively through the use of a super efficient stacked plate core. This is the most efficient cooling system, uses a large surface area, the stacked plate design, and the turbulator technology. They do use a furnace brazed aluminum construction for great heat dissipation. Now the inlets on this are a size -8 AN size. Overall dimension of this, the length of it is 13 inches. The height of it, 4 9/16 inches tall, and the depth of it is only 2 inches deep. Now the distance between these inlets, you can see both inlets here. If we put a ruler on that, if we go center to center, you can see it's going to be right at 10 inches. And the distance between the mounting holes, if you notice there's mounting holes on both ends. So if we go center to center on those, it's going to be right at 12 1/4 inches. Now we mentioned the sandwich adapter. Now this will install between your oil filter mount that's on your engine and the oil filter. Provides the external oil lines that are necessary to install a cooler without requiring you to move the factory spin-on filter. Makes it even easier to extend the life of your vehicle's engine. And this will fit most engine applications with a 2.5 inch, 2 3/4, or 3.5 inch O-ring sizes. The inlet ports on these are 3/8 inch NPT size, but basically the side with the O-ring will go up against, you take off your oil filter from your engine block, put this up against there just like that, and then this will screw onto the, and then leave you the thread there, and then your oil filter will go on there, and then your lines will come out here. Now these parts are made in the USA. A few specs on the sleeve nuts right here. If you notice, they are color coded. They have little colored dots on them to let you know the sizes. Now you're only going to be using one of these sizes for your application, but they give you all the range to fit whatever one is your application. But basically we'll start with the yellow dot. That's telling you the size on this is a 3/4 inch by 16 size. The blue dot is a 13/16 of an inch by 16. The white is a 18 millimeter by 1.5 millimeter. The black is a 20 millimeter by 1.5 millimeter size, and the green is 22 millimeter by 1.5 millimeter size. But that should do it for the review on this Derale stacked plate engine oil cooler kit with the sandwich adapter.